In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off cellular data roaming on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up settings. On settings we can easily find cellular, and that's where we need to get into cellular data options, where at the very top we can find data roaming, and we can enable or disable it by toggling on or off that switcher, because using data in roaming can be quite costly, so we can just turn it on for a while, and once we are no longer needed to use data, we can tap at this toggle to turn it off. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.